Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Preheat the oven to 200 degrees F, 95 degrees C, so the water will stay just below a simmer and steep gently. This low heat prevents bitterness. Measure 1 tablespoon of loose tea per 8 FL of water, or use 1 tea bag per cup for convenience. Choose an oven-safe teapot, mason jar, or Dutch oven with a tight-fitting lid. Glass or ceramic works best because metal can impart flavor. Bring water to a boil on the stove and let it rest 30 seconds for black tea or 1 minute for green tea before combining. Pour the hot water directly over the tea leaves or bag and immediately seal the vessel with its lid to trap heat and steam. This creates a gentle infusion. Place the sealed teapot or jar on the middle oven rack and set a timer for the appropriate steep. Black tea 10-15 minutes, green tea 6-8 minutes, herbal 15-20 minutes depending on strength. Do not open the oven to check. Heat loss will alter steeping. Use oven mitts to transfer the hot vessel to a trivet when the timer ends. When the timer ends, remove the sealed vessel with oven mitts and strain the tea into cups or a serving pitcher. Aim to serve at 130-140 degrees F for comfortable drinking. Customize each cup. Add 1 teaspoon sugar or honey or 1 tablespoon milk per 8 FL cup and stir. For lemon, use 1 lemon wedge per cup. If you made more than needed, cool to room temperature and refrigerate within 2 hours, storing in a sealed container for up to 48 hours. Reheat gently to avoid bitterness or serve over ice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.